See my email?
Who's your brother?
Young executives.
Yeah, I got it.
All right. So we can look at it together.
Okay. So which one do I look at? What my readers on? Okay, which one do I look at?
The PDF. It should show you your progress notes, your progress report.
Listen, click here to log in. I hate this technology.
No, it's not a login. It's just that you just to see an email with an attachment.
I open the thing, and it has this little screen with three things on it. It says your credit progress report is ready to view.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. 89, 523, and 612. Is that correct?
Yep. It's It's $5.99.
I don't see 599. I see 6. This must not be mine then.
Yeah, you're probably looking at the wrong, different one. But you see my screen?
Yeah, I see your screen.
All right, so this is you right here. How do you monitor your credit anyway?
I don't have a membership to Credit IQ or something like that, but I don't never look at it.
All right, so I do this because this is a part of, my organization and my business. We always send clients monthly progress updates on where we're at and what we have been able to do. And this is what it looks like. It's a PDF. If you scroll through your stuff, when you said you see a 689, right? You see this?
Yes.
That was just a template. That's not your actual score. If you scroll down, then you'll see your score. Just like this. See, you are looking at this part up here. What you need to do is just scroll down.
Scrolling down.
And once you,
oh.
I understand.
Okay,
Yeah.
Now I see 599, 565.
Yeah. So before you were at a 480 because the bankruptcy really took you all the way down, man, and really brought you down. But you can see you had a 119 point increase. Yes, and then on your other ones, because we was able to delete 44 items, you're gonna see that amount of increase. You with me?
Okay.
So that's what I was telling you. So when it comes to disputing, you need to understand that every month something gets reported at a certain time of the month. That's why the longer we wait within that 30 days, the more results we can actually see. So sometimes I can pull people's report early and I won't see everything that's deleted. I'll see most of it because some stuff is still in progress and some stuff needs to be disputed.
Okay. So do you do trade lines too?
Yes, I do. I can get you trade lines. You get some trade lines around 20,000 to 30,000. We can actually get you right on the personal credit side and the business credit side, so you can have access to funding. But we still need to get your credit score to at least a 650. So you're going to need about possibly 1 to 2 more rounds to delete everything of your credit report. So we only on the first round.
Okay. All right. Well, call me in the morning. I have a debit card that I'm going to the bank at 9 in the morning. Shows it open. They say it'll be there.
Awesome. How you feel though? How you feel, man?
I feel great. I feel great.
You feel good, right? I told you, believe in the process, man.
Yeah, I feel good.
You should feel real good, man.
I do.
You feel relieved, right? This guy's not scamming.
I do.
Good. Good. This is what I'm doing. You know, I'm getting you the results, and I'm putting the work in, man. I'm putting the work in.
All right.
So.
Thank you very much.
All right. So I appreciate it. I appreciate working with you. I knew that I was gonna need to receive something so I could get to the next round because you got a lot of stuff in your report, but I'm ready. So
I'll do it first thing in the morning.
awesome. 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. in the morning, man. Now you got something for the day that moves in your life.
Yeah, I do. I'm very proud of this.
Put a smile on, man.
All right.
All right.